super mansions. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. This is good. Should be really good. Mansions so far. Another refrigerator. Wow. It's just this perfect bonus. Huff and even more Puff. I love you. Come on, do me right. Probably at least all minis. Look at that, another re-trigger. There's not even enough places for them all, I don't think.
That mean grand?
I don't know.
Pretty fantastic. Oh my God, you've got all mansions. Now what?
I think I just won the grand. No. Well, that would have been nice.
It should be.
Well, let's see what's under these things.
25 mansions.
Yeah.
That's a hand pay. I don't care. That's $400. What?
Well, I hope.
That's a full screen of house.
I hope so.
$2 a bet. Most of your coins are going to be either mini or minor.
Yeah.
Times 2.
I hope so.
Oh my God.
And if you get one, you're going to get a one that's going to have an upgrade. Go bigger. See? That's a hand pay. If not, that's $800. That's
Wow.
going to be crazy.
Yeah.
37,000. So
Well, times 2.
6, that's $700.
$700. Yeah.